Newsflash Africa, the best place to get Africa-related content. In today's news,
the defense headquarters said on Saturday the air component of Operation Hadarin Daji killed 135 armed bandits during air raids of several locations in Katsina and Zamfara States. The coordinator, Defense Media Operations, Marj. Gen. John Enninch, said in a statement that the air raids were parts of the renewed offensive by the military to rid the northwest of armed bandits and other criminal elements. The operations, according to him, took place between May 20 and May 22. Enninch said the airstrikes followed credible intelligence reports and series of intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) missions that led to the identification of the camps. The media coordinator said the bandits' camps hit by the military include Abu Rada Camps 1 and 2, and Dunya in Jibia and Dan Musa local government areas of Katsina State, as well as Hassan Tagway's camp, Al-Haji Orders Camp and Maikomi in Bernan Magaji and Zermi local government areas of Zamfara. He said, at the Abu Rada camps on 20 May 2020, a set of huts housing one of the notorious bandit leaders were taken out by airstrikes with scores of the bandits killed and few were seen fleeing with gunshot wounds towards the Dumburum forest. Similar air raids were executed at Hassan Tagway's and Al-Haji Orders camps as well as at Maikomi with equally devastating effects. HUMINT reports later confirmed that at least 135 bandits were neutralized by the series of airstrikes at the various locations. The Chief of the Air Staff (CAs) commends the team for their professionalism and directs them to remain resolute in order to achieve the directives of the Chief of Defense Staff to restore normalcy to all parts of Nigeria.
You